and
Okay.
get to it as soon as possible.
And if it's in a carpet, everybody panics, as you know, and they grab the club soda and pour it on the carpet.
And blot it. Always
blot,
it.
blot.
Yes.
Don't
because
rub.
you want to lift it out. If you are rubbing it, you're spreading it around.
Okay, so you'll be at the Clean Green Show. It's not called the Clean Green Show. It's the
Epic.
Sustainable Epic,
Yes.
Sustainable Living Expo.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Okay, and well, this will be there, the Green Clean book.
I have
obviously.
a booth right by the front doors before you go in, and I will be selling my book. And then I'm speaking at 11 o'clock on Sunday on the main stage.
Okay, on the main stage, 11 o'clock on Sunday. And will you be whipping up some potions? Will you do one for us?
Sure. I'm going to make my favorite one, and it's soft scrub. And because the commercial soft scrub that you buy in the grocery store reddens your hands, it's really hard on your skin, and it affects your nose, and it makes my eyes kind of watery.
Okay.
So all you do to make soft scrub, and you have to mix this up fresh each time, it doesn't keep because it doesn't have preservatives in it, is just put a little bit of baking soda in a bowl.
We can manage that.
And then enough
That's easy.
Castile soap to make a paste. So just,
Okay, and is this organic Castile soap?
yes. Yes.
Can you buy this in a drugstore, in a hardware store?
I
This
bought
is Dr.
that.
Brommer's, or
Yeah, that's
yes, Dr. Bromner's Magic Soaps,
that's my
Okay.
that's my favorite one.
and it has no odor.
No, but although you can buy them with scented with eucalyptus or jasmine or all
I think
kinds
we have
of.
enough odors.
But yeah, that's what I think too.
Yeah.
So you want to stir it up until you have a paste, until it's the consistency that you want. That's still a little thick for my taste. So a
This
little
is
more.
the soft paste.
Yeah,
Yes.
there, that's getting right. And it smells really fresh. Take a smell of that.
Yeah.
And it's
it
very-
does. It smells great.
It's very, very gentle. And this will clean the grout between tile. I just use a toothpick to do that.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It will also clean a porcelain sink, a bathtub. It will clean your tile. Any place where you would normally use soft scrub. this
Exactly. And
works.
when it goes down the drain, it doesn't hurt the environment.
Doesn't hurt anything.
And
in fact, you can
tile
clean
grout.
your sink while you're putting it down. the
Some of that commercial tile grout,
Oh,
when you're
they're
in the
nasty.
shower, you think, I could die here from the fumes.
And
so
you
no,
could.
no, 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 no. And you probably, well, you can at
Well,
least,
it's the body
get a little
burden thing
woozy.
again.
It's a body burden thing, and it's quite crazy if we can do this.
Right. Right.
Okay, so that's soft scrub, and would you make a thicker paste for anything, or is there any reason? I use Clean Glow. Have you ever heard of Clean Glow?
No, I don't.
Clean Glow is organic, and it takes spots out that never come out on
Really?
your laundry, and it looks white like that. Maybe that's all it is. Who knows? So, soda water in a spritzer bottle. What's under your sink?
What's under my sink? Well, I have the full line of Shaklee Get Clean, which
Okay.
I really, really like. They have this is called Scour Off, and it works in the oven and on your grill. This is really good stuff because ovens and grills are nasty places, but this smells really good too, and
it's
that's
pretty.
an all natural smell.
It
Isn't that
smells
nice?
like fruit or something,
Yeah.
papaya.
It smells like you could eat it.
But don't.
Well, it's
But this is a
biodegradable.
multi-level marketed product, right? Shaklee,
Yes,
isn't
you
it?
buy it either through distributors or online.
Okay.
I buy mine
You buy 'em
online.
online?
It's not sold in grocery
Right.
stores.
Do you-
But they
okay.
have a product called Basic H that is an all-purpose cleaner, and I love Basic H. This actually is Basic H.
Okay.
And it will be. I use it to clean my floors. I use it to dust. Put a little bit on a cotton rag and dust. It's
Okay, and you
I use
have
it to clean
a
windows.
wax. If you want to wax your furniture, you have a way to do that in here.
What I
Or
do
to,
for
you know,
my
shine
wood.
up the pine.
Yeah, for my wood is I use a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, not very much, on a cotton rag, and it shines it up. It looks nice. It doesn't smell like synthetic fragrance, and it works.
Well, you know, so many people are worried about superbugs today and resistant bacteria. So we've gone into this panic almost of antibacterial soap and all of that.
It is a panic.
And there is another way
Yes.
to clean, and it's very important that we figure it out. Do you have a dust buster? Did you get rid of it?
I don't have a dust buster. I never had a dust buster.
So back to your sink, under your sink, at your house, at Linda Mason Hunter's house.
Yes.
What do you have that most people don't have?
Baking soda.
Baking soda for sure.
Vinegar. I have a big bottle of vinegar. This spray bottle, I love spray bottles. I have like 4 of them. This is just vinegar. So if I need a disinfectant, if somebody in the house is sick, then I can, you know, put this on a cotton rag and do the doorknobs, do the telephone, do the
Sure.
places where people are touching with their hands, because those kinds of germs can live on a surface for more than 24 hours.
And tea tree oil works.
Tea tree oil
is
works.
very good.
Lavender also works.
I know. Well, I learned that in Green Clean.
There's lots in there.
What about stainless steel? To shine up stainless steel, do you have anything?
Basic H works.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
It doesn't streak or?
Well, not if you,
Okay.
no, it's all in how you do it.
Really, I found a product, it feels oily and it's got lavender in it. I can't remember who makes it, but it worked.
Does it?
And it doesn't have any of the chemicals. So
That's
there.
good. That's good.
Welcome to Vancouver. Where do you live normally?
I live full-time in Iowa in the States, but I live part-time here in Vancouver.
Oh, great. There's more to that story.
Yes, there is.
Okay. After. Linda Mason Hunter, she'll be at EPIC at the Sustainable Living Expo on the main stage Sunday, April 20th. That's this Sunday
Yes,
at
it is.
11 a.m. And coming up, they run Fab Love Life workshops and help singles hook up with other singles, and they have realistic expectations about your hookup chances. Stay with us to learn how to put more romance into your singledom.